Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.